for helping me execute the best April Fool's Day joke ever. Here we are at Centerfolds, and look who's featured today. It's Mark Rock 94 Tannehill. That's right. He does some crazy stuff with like flares and wax. I don't know. It's a very odd combination. So, I mean, really, like, your kids, what are they going to think of that?
I'm not going to think of anything, because it's a joke.
But
I'm not.
But it looks so real.
Yeah. It's real funny.
I wonder how many ladies that are working tonight are going to be like, oh my God, they took my feature place.
That's right. I get more dances in the future.
You should help them, though. You should help them.
Yeah. Well, I might be selling tickets there tonight for dances. I don't know.
Or you could just hold their tassel. You could be the tassel holder, or you could be like the sparkler. You could dust them and sparkle them.
That's very funny.
All right? Don't tell me.
No.
I'm kind of scared. There you go. Tonight at 11.